Okay, grade 4, let's talk about the work of SST. Today you are going to read chapter number 15, Water Resources of India. Water resources means from where we are getting the water. First of all, you will do this, guess the name part. Deepest ocean in the world, and the name starts with P. Which ocean's name is starting with P and it is the deepest ocean? Longest river in India and the start with letter G. The name of the river which is starting with the letter G. And then let's talk about the chapter. 3/4 of the earth, as we know, that is covered with water. That's why it is called the blue planet also. All living things, animals, plants, human beings, all these living things need water. Because water is precious for us. And water is necessary for surviving. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing and cleaning. What are the sources of water? Oceans. We are having seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Important water bodies. Water is also found beneath the surface of the earth and is also known as the groundwater. When we are putting the hand pumps in the earth with the help of motors, then at that time we are getting the groundwater for our drinking. There is plenty of water on earth surface. We still face water crisis. We are having a lots of water in the oceans, in the seas and other parts, but still we are not having drinking water properly. Because we are not able to drink seas, oceans or lakes water directly. That are not safe. Those waters are dirty. Most of the water found on earth is not fit for drinking. Right? We need fresh water. And that is used for drinking. So groundwater is the first use for drinking. Rain is also important source of fresh water. And for rains, we can say that our irrigation, our farmers are totally depending on rainfall. If rain comes on time, their crops grow betterly. Then sources of water for irrigation. What kind of sources for they are using for their crops is wells, tube wells. As you have seen, I think in your farming fields, they are having the motors or tube wells, Persian wheels, the mechanical way of lifting water from open wells with the help of animals like buffalo or camels. जहाँ पे वो राउंड घूमते हैं और राउंड घूमते घूमते पानी को वो ऊपर की तरफ लेकर आते हैं. जो बकेट्स लगी हुई होती हैं या जो उसके अंदर पाइप्स लगाए हुए होते हैं, उनकी वजह से वो पानी ऊपर की तरफ आता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पर्शियन व्हील. जो उसमें व्हील है वो घूमता है और पानी को ऊपर लेकर आकर छोड़ता है. डैम्स वी आर हैविंग. बड़े बड़े डैम्स बने हुए हैं. डैम्स हैव मैनी यूजेस. ये सिर्फ इरिगेशन में नहीं, हमारे और भी जगहों पे काम आते हैं. जैसे कि फ्लड को कंट्रोल करते हैं. देन वी यूज़ फॉर फार्मिंग. देन वी यूज़ फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑल्सो. प्रोड्यूस होती है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यहाँ से. एंड देन वी यूज़ इट फॉर फिशिंग ऑल्सो. Therefore, dams are also known as the multi-purpose river valley projects. You can see that these are called dams. Then we are having canals. small rivers होती हैं जो हर गाँव में बनी होती हैं, हर village में बनी होती हैं. And then we are having these kind of rivers we are having in every village, which is also used for making the irrigation. And here you can see that these are the dams presently in India. भाखड़ा नंगल डैम, that is in our state, पंजाब में है ये, सतलुज रिवर पे. नागार्जुन डैम, आंध्र प्रदेश, कृष्णा रिवर. फराक्का बैरेज, वेस्ट बंगाल, गंगा रिवर पे है. हीराकुंड जो है वो उड़ीसा में है महानदी पे, एंड तेहरी जो डैम है वो उत्तराखंड में है भागीरथी जो रिवर है हमारी उसके ऊपर. Then we are having rainwater harvesting. We are using the rainwater for harvesting. It is means that we collect the rainwater, store it, and when it is required for drinking, irrigation, we use it. Because rainwater is the fresh water which comes from clouds directly without any harmful things or dirtiness. Now last topic is importance of water. We know that water is important for us. We also know that it is going to be finished very soon. So whenever we are using the water, we must not waste it. We must not pollute it by throwing the garbage in the rivers, by throwing the dirty things in the rivers or canals. We have to save water because for drinking we need fresh water and it is going to be finished very soon. So we have to save the water as we cannot live without water. So you will read this chapter and after reading this you will do the exercise, the book exercise. Tick the right one, unscramble words, true, false, then crossword also, and also you will do the question answers. Why water is important for life? Because we can't survive without water. We cannot live without water. Write 3 uses of water. We use water for drinking, bathing, cooking, for cleaning also. Write 2 uses of dams. So dams are used for irrigation and the water of the dam are used for the electricity also, for making electricity, producing electricity. And also we can do fishing in the dam's water. And what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting kya hai? It is the storage of rainwater. We can store it and we can use it for the future, like for drinking, for irrigation and for other purposes also. So you will do the book exercise of this chapter.